Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling you about how to fix Google Assistant power button problem in your Motorola smartphone. So friends, if you are having this problem when you just long press your this power button and it's not opening the power menu, it's opening the Google Assistant, you can turn it off from here by clicking on this search, and here you have to write power. Here it is. So you can click on power button. So here it will be showing here power menu, no action, or digital assistant. So if you have enabled this one, so when you just tap on it, it will enable the Google Assistant or Gemini or any other assistant. So you have to just go to the power button settings, click on power menu, and your problem will be solved. Now you can press this power button, it will be enable the power menu. From here you can switch off your smartphone, restart your smartphone, lock down, and emergency number. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.